Hi, so this is Cesar Feiju, and this is week two of the interactive concept for Chemistry 126. So today we're going to be doing the iodine clock reaction, and this is what happened uh, in the video. So basically, just like the instructions said, and after watching the video, I set up mix the two solutions, or prepare the two solutions that were I was going to be using for the experiment. So we have one solution of iodine and vitamin C and some water, and then the other solution is the hydrogen peroxide and the starch. So basically, what happened here is when we mix the two solutions, two reactions start to happen. So in one solution, we have the iodine and the vitamin C, which had reacted already into iodide and hydrogen ions. And then on the other solution, we have a mix of hydrogen peroxide, the water, and the starch. So once the two solutions are mixed, the hydrogen peroxide oxidizes the uh, the iodide, the I minus, into iodine, and, and at the same time, the vitamin C reduces the iodine into I minus. So for a while, the two reactions happen at the same time, and the solution remains clear. But once the vitamin C or the ascorbic acid uh, runs out, then because we have an excess of hydrogen peroxide, then more iodine start to form, and the solution starts to get darker. Um, then once we have enough iodine that is formed, then it mix all with the iodide, or the yeah, with the iodide, and then it form a solution of triodide starch complex, and it gets very dark. So that's basically what happens. Um, the rate of the reaction can be uh, affected by temperature. For example, on this part right here, I heated up the solution. I just heated up one solution, which is the one with the starch. I put it in the microwave for about a minute, and then I heated up. I heated and then I mixed the solutions. And this time, the solution only took about, I don't know, a few seconds to change color. As with the previous one, you noticed that it took about a minute or so to change color, so it took a while. The solution can also be, or the reaction can be affected by a concentration of the solute, the solutes. Um, but if you stir it while the solution, if you stir the solution, then it also affects the rate of reaction. Um, what else? Uh, guess that's about it. So this is the one where you transfer the solution from one recipient to the other, and then after a while they're uh, changing colors. So they change color at the same time, basically, which is pretty cool. So they're starting to change color. When I was doing I was preparing the solutions. The first time I didn't realize that my bottle of iodine had only 1% it was 1% iodine, and I only used like 25 milliliters and mixed it like that. And when I mixed the solutions, it took forever to change in color. Actually, it didn't even change in color basically. So when I realized I only have 1% iodine, then I had to change the solutions and basically put like um, five more parts. So instead of 25 uh, milliliters, I had to use 125 milliliters of iodine to make up for the 1% concentration. Um, that's about it. Thank you, and I guess we'll see you next week.